there once with my dad at sunset. It's beautiful, but man, pricey. All right, go out. No, I love it.
Tonight, we gather in a most enchanted kingdom. One mansion. One second time. We go
Yesterday, Disneyland and the New York World Fair. Tomorrow, a project so vast it has already been called a whole new Disney World.
As you can see on this map, we have a perfect location in Florida. There's enough land here to hold all of the ideas and plans you can possibly imagine. Walt Disney World is a tribute to the philosophy and life of Walter Lyons Disney. May Walt Disney World bring joy and inspiration and new knowledge to all who come to this happy place. Imagine a kingdom where the young and hearts of all ages can laugh and play and learn together. Dedicated the 25th day of October, 1971.
Oh boy, this place sure is swell. Some folks like to say that it all started with a dream. But you want to know what makes this place really special? It's you! Each and every one of you. Anytime you set foot here, you leave this place brighter than it was before. Because you are the magic.
Wish upon a star. Close your eyes and just believe it. You have traveled from so far, and now you're close enough to feel it. With the smile on your face and the song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star. The magic is here. It's here for you and me.
Oh, take a magical carpet ride. Travel to Neverland. Just believe that you can.
So come to see your
Be
guide.
your guide, 'cause it's there inside.
You believe today
Today,
it's possible tomorrow. That's a
that your
heart.
heart
The way
all your dreams will follow. Doesn't matter where you are, 'cause the spark is in your heart. You know, have it, 'cause you are the magic. You are the magic. You are the magic.
Now, the magic of dreams come true is calling out to you, inspiring each of you to wish upon a star. Follow your hearts, and discover a world full of wonder. Like those who have answered the call, if you allow your dream to be your guide, you may be surprised by what you discover. So long as you simply believe.
I remember someone told me
Fairy tales can come true.
you gotta make it happen.
It all depends on you.
This old town can slow you down,
People taking the easy way.
but I know exactly where I'm going. Closer, closer every day. I'm almost there.
I'm almost there,
People out here think I'm crazy,
but I don't care. Trials and tribulations, I had my share.
but I climbed the mountain. I rose from the river. Almost there.
I'm almost there.
I'm almost there.
Read the wind in the sky when the sun is high. We sail the length of the sea on the ocean breeze. At night we name every star. We know who we are. We know who we are. We are. Awe, awe, muimua. Te mano lele te takia. Awe, awe. And when it's time to find home, we know the way.
the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, but scars can heal and reveal just who you are. The people you love will change you. The things you learn will guide you. And nothing on earth can silence the quiet voice still inside you.
And so, we have found what we seek. The magic of dreams come true, in fact, lies within you. This magical kingdom remains a beacon to those with a wish in their heart, gifting every person who walks through these gates this enchantment. Look inside yourself and realize that you have everything you need to make all your dreams come true. Anything is possible, for you are the magic.
Oh, just believe it and close your eyes. You can go anywhere while you soar through the air.
It's your imagination.
Let it fly.
You are the magic.
Thank you for joining us this evening for our nighttime spectacular Disney Enchantment, presented by Pandora TV. We invite you to enjoy the rest of the night of Magic